ban poi chet tang sku ka jeka ka bayap kumba ar phenyungut ki bro hadu menta na ka jing bthai ka krem Dewiong kalong ka baskai hadu kata kata nama ba dai glentia ka ba omla ban muddur batang ki kali full wheel ke badan special care ki bala ban pa kan simpor ke balai sau kenta na umpleng ba ki kali kin par ha ka surok klau ke ba kum kal huwa ke ba shirkai namar ba ki kali ki haban ya ha ki lum ki tem ba ki khoro khora katai ka than ka dai ha ka ilka sutenga ka exchange his bahap ha ka sutenga saipung constituency berami khmat daga kong serta Mary Sheila nak NPP undang bisyal bersang thai ukib kebi katike ma thung kami kaya haikut ban petnyo ya ke jingti Dewiong be anya ka jera lalap dagi jongki khmat ya ke jingti Dewiong be anya exchange his ukatiki bawan jingok dade ya ke Krem ba Bthei hatang sko exchange his ha ka riu talik rumpang aja pundai ulang balalap baka jingti Dewiong be an kedang jur ba hais janjahis balayo I kan ni hasilin te kirut surok ulang wa unlait pentip ikan ni sika haikut mikhalaya katkung bijingong katiki ka jingti Dewiong be an kedang beteng wat haba kang persya ke Supreme Court ulang bala banyo I ke Dewiong na baro al yang kisrok ngaduk kriat te seduk kejaka bauwan hatang sku haduk menta al penyengut kibreu ka yap bat kan nyengut wan kam dagi bahaying bat kandai ngut ki ba mensau kani kajing jia klabu ya kajela mai khaya kajing ja burom khaj hakmat ka partai bat ka ai ki ban sami nang ne sikmat om pala ban tip haduk mentak ki pelit ka kem angut ki trai pal Dewiong bal latian bisyar yaki ha kani kajing jia layo I do bagi hek soka nadu menteri soka jela ba wailat Miki Sheila ka Emily ka than kong Santa Mary Sheila u Commissioner Secretary ba Frederick Roy ka Kongo u DIG ka Eastern Range u Davis R Marak ki SP ka West ba East Janche Hills u Ketu Bikash Kumar ba u Jakpal Singh Dhano nalogi wei bat ki soka ka awan ban jingo I ka tege jaka ka jingwat breu ki SDRF ba NDRF kadang teng hadu menta yo dang don ki batap su ha kapo ka tege Krem
almost 8 persons, injured persons. One is in near Joy, there is a hospital there. Others, one is in, I think, Nigrims, there are 6 or 7 people. Another in a private hospital there in Shillong. And out of 2 pits, one pit NDRF has told me that they have cleared that. One body has been recovered from there. This pit is yet to be cleared by NDRF. They said that their work will go on. And since there is a landslide inside, so I have requested them to clear it even by removing the landslide whatever way it is possible. And let us see whether any other body could be found. As somebody has told me, even the 40-50 people. But these are all the vague figures given. Initially, I got the information that there would be at least 15 to 16 persons. So that appears to be correct because 19 bodies have been recovered so far. We don't know. There may be somebody else also in this pit because this is yet to be cleared. It's very difficult to give the exact number. Continue with the rescue operation till both the pits are cleared.
So as you have many incidents like this will happen. So
Oh yes, because I found it, I have informed the Honorable High Court also time and again that illegal mining activities is going on in East Jaintia Hills district. Today while coming from Claryhat to this place, on both sides of the road I have seen the mining. I stopped over there, I have taken the photographs. Tomorrow I will inform the High Court again. No doubt about it. Somebody may deny it for a different purpose, but still I'll say that illegal mining is going on and this has happened. We have lost 19 people at least, and there may be more casualties. There may be some other incidents, some other places, nearby places. 2-3 weeks back there was another incident in nearby. One person died who happened to be from Assam. Then before that also there 2 or 3 persons died in East Jaintia Hills district. So illegal mining is going on, no doubt about it.